Guys, this is the Cara unit here at Camellia Homes in Bacolod City. Hindi to yung Cara na vlogger ha. So, sudlo na to ang unit. And this is a dressed up unit of course because this is a model unit. This is the living area and then the dining area. Then we have the kitchen here and there's a counter. Since this is a dressed up unit, may bar counter siya. So this is of course the toilet and bath. May toilet and bath dito sa baba. And akyat po tayo. By the way, yung mga deliverable unit dito sa Camellia, finished units po. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa taas. So, upon landing dito sa second floor, meron tayong common toilet and bath dito. And then, we have the first bedroom here. Then, papasok tayo. Meron namang isang bedroom dito. And, the third bedroom, dito naman. So, may tatlong bedrooms po sa taas. And then, may toilet and bath din. And on the ground, there's also another toilet and bath. And we're back on the ground floor. So, once again, this is the Cara model of Camellia Homes in Bacolod City. Lot area is more or less... Yung lot area niya,
For the Cara, lot area, 88.
88 yung lot area and the floor area 66 square meters more or less. So if you want to know more about this project and if you want to reserve, please send me an email through boholanobroker@gmail.com and we will assist you in having your first home here in Bacolod City. Welcome to the City of Smiles.